A programming language is a set of rules that provides a way of telling a computer what operations to perform. So we can say that a programming language is a set of rules for communicating an algorithm which provides a framework for computations with the help of a computer. To execute a program, we need to give instructions, and these instructions must be written in a way in which computers can understand. For this purpose, various programming languages are used. Programming languages can be divided into two categories: high-level language, in which the user writes a program that can be human understandable, and low-level language, in which the machine can understand the program. High-level language can be understood by humans, whereas computers understand machine language. So we need to convert programs from high to low. This is done with the help of language interpreters. Source code is written in any high-level language, such as C, C++, and Java. And these are sent to the compiler or interpreter, which changes it to object code written in machine language, that is 0 or 1. So when writing a program, first of all, decide which steps are needed to complete any task systematically and in what sequential order, then write a pseudocode for it. For example, when writing a program to add two numbers, we can write it as follows: start, get two numbers, add them, print the answer, end. Flowcharts are important in programming. A flowchart is a pictorial diagram that depicts a process, system, or computer algorithm. They are widely used in multiple fields to document, study, plan, improve, and communicate complex processes in easy-to-understand diagrams. Various symbols are used in flowcharts, and these are the start, arrows, input, output, process, and decisions. Flowcharts are used when writing a program or an algorithm to explain the logic behind and to provide a guideline when it comes time to code. An example of a flowchart to find the largest of three numbers: start first of all by reading three numbers, for example, A, B, or C. Then a decision is taken. If A, then yes. Check if A is greater than C. If yes, then print A. This is the largest number. If not, then print C, which now becomes the largest number. If a decision is reached, then B is greater than C. Then print B, which now becomes the largest number, and processing is stopped. All programming languages have certain features in common. Each program has a variable, which is a place to put data, and is usually represented by a letter or a word. Next, we have data types. With the help of data types, we can define the type of data being used in a program. Examples of data types include floats. These are numbers with decimals in them. A string can be a text or a string of letters. An integer. These are whole numbers without decimals in them. Long. These are large numbers. Boolean. These can be defined as true or false values. A loop. This is a repetition of all parts of the commands in a program. In decision making, often you need to decide whether something is true or false in order to see which way to continue. For this purpose, we often use if, or if then, or if then else statements to show a decision. Functions are the last data type. Sometimes we need to write some mathematical functions, such as sin x, sin value x, or string functions as total length of strings, len string. When running a program, sometimes we meet errors. To debug means to try a program and then fix these errors. This is called debugging. Thank you.